Hello, Namaste, Tajahar friends. Today I'm gonna get a haircut in Jilin. By the way, look at the watermelons on the left hand side. Yeah, Jilin has a lot of watermelon produce, lot of trucks on the way, and you can see the village homes here. Look at that church, that's in the middle of the whole town. So, yeah, I can see it from my house as well. I guess we are going to arrive, guys, and I'm gonna meet you inside. हम पहुंच गए यहाँ पे मेरा हेयर कट कराने के लिए. मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ यहाँ पे हेयर कट कैसे होता है गांव में. यहाँ पे तो ये है यहाँ का हेयर कटिंग सैलून, देख सकते हो आप. Am I the only one who has never used this machine in their life? And this is just where they keep their products, guys, nothing special. Here is Ivan playing with his stuff. He found a toy, just like any normal toddler. At this point, I just want to tell her, please don't cut it too short, because whenever I go for a haircut, people cut it too short. So I'm trying to communicate, I'm trying to speak a little Chinese. I think she couldn't understand me because my accent is so bad. Even if I know the word, I cannot pronounce it well. So I try to use Google Translate to tell her, and I think she understood this time. And yeah, I'm ready for my haircut now. So guys, I want to tell you a story because we have so much free time, and yeah, you're watching my video already, so I'm hoping that you will listen to me. It's not really a story, it's just my experiences, just a little chit chat about what happens when I go for a haircut. So the first time I remember I had a haircut was maybe when I was 5 or 6 years old. I went to the salon with my mother and I wanted to look like this, but when it was done, I looked like this. I looked like a boy, you can say. I don't know if my parents had given the salon people permission to cut my hair so short, but I cried so much when it was done, and I still remember that. That means it really hurt me. And somehow I kept getting the same haircut whenever I went to the salon for the next 10 years. So I'm guessing my parents had a part to play in that. But that's okay, I forgot about it after a while, but I had this hatred for salons. Just the idea of going to the salon meant that I was going to look like a boy, or maybe I was going to look worse. I really wanted long hair. I really did. In my country, India, long hair is considered beautiful, especially after a girl is grown up. If she has long hair, it looks good, it looks decent. You can say, I think it's same for every country. Traditionally, the girl is supposed to have long hair. After I passed high school, I stopped caring about hair at all. I stopped caring about the length of the hair. I hated salons, so I never went to a salon. Actually, after my high school was finished, I did not go to any salon in India. I would cut my own hair the way I liked it. And yeah, I just didn't care how long they were. It's interesting that when I came to China, I saw a lot of girls with short hair, like really short hair. And I was a tomboy all my life, and I fit right in. I did not have a problem adjusting to Chinese fashion, I can say. Guys, don't get your hopes too high. I'm going to look exactly the same before and after the haircut. Believe me, it happens every time. No matter what kind of haircut I get, I look the same. My hair is very frizzy, and in the dry climate like Jilin's, my hair does not look good. I have noticed one thing about Chinese people. They have really good hair and skin. By the way, right now I'm telling her to give me bangs. No, I've never had bangs, and I've always wanted to get them. I don't know why I didn't do it myself. But this lady is very nice. Actually, as I've mentioned it before, she's my mother's really good friend. And I've had a haircut last time I went to Jilin, and she was the one who did it, and she never takes money from me. I don't know why anyone in Jilin would not accept money from me. In the small town and villages in China, the culture is very similar to India. Like in the villages and small towns, people know each other, everyone knows everyone, and people would not take money from friends. So that's how it happens here as well. People are friendly, you get free food, clothes, free haircut. I'm really happy that I'm spending 2 weeks in Jilin, because in Guangzhou I never get enough time to eat food. I always skip meals, I'm losing weight. So yeah, I'll be eating a lot of food here in Jilin, and you guys let me know in the comment section if you want to see these videos. Do you like food related videos? I love to eat food, I love making these videos. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it, guys. I look skinny, but I like to eat a lot of food. I can eat a lot of food, and I'm thinking I'll make a video after I go back to Guangzhou about food, about what I eat in everyday life, and about me cooking Indian food and Chinese food back in Guangzhou. So that will be interesting. I think I'll be done soon, guys. And next up is Ivan. We decided to give him a haircut because his hair is growing very randomly, and we're not going to shave his head, of course, but just a little bit of a haircut. I think this salon has only 2 staff. One is my aunt who does haircuts, and the other lady you see on the left is the one doing manicures and pedicures, I think. Look, Ivan is getting restless again, and I'm gonna show you his haircut soon. I'm going to film it all. I'm not going to edit it. I know it will be interesting. So guys, just wait up.高兴，对，就起就正好就成这样式的，一点点，一点点，就这样。等会儿，到这边，噔，给点。好，你真听话呀，啊，你真听话呀。啊，小伙儿，这，走，不要，这啥？害怕了，啊，给你这个，吧，啊，这玩意儿好，你说就这玩意儿，你都不傻，雪儿啊，哎，你先别扫，你给我拔点，叽里咕噜能剪吗？嘿，小帅哥。哟，还长太漂亮了。那瘦了，要圆点就好。那小圆脸的时候。哎呀！对吧？妈，还打着我呢，不要。这儿呢，他要看这个，这你雪儿。这样毛多长啊！你给这个，啊，这。他就用个手摸这玩意儿。看我这好，叮咚，这儿呢。哎，你说这还有吗？我小刘海绞个小圆儿，好。这儿呢，就相中这个了，小张，这你能拿了吗？啊，这个给你，来，拿那个吗？这玩意难整吧？看着，难整，你瞅瞅，他咋就知道我们要颜色呢？挺有动静。你看三嫂家小孙子。看上了。回来了。干好呀你！来，这条来。等，哎呀，来，反正这整不好，这整不好，这点毛。
搁先一回，完了这后边那家。
啊，你手。
不。这玩意儿整的不整齐，也是这整短的，这短的那种。哎对。啊。对。差不多。这个。他们这饺子多带劲，饺子这多好，这样一整的。好嘞。好嘞。
这就不错了。
哎呀妈，这就不
挺
错
好的了。
挺不错的，挺。
For the haircut, but we all know they are not going to accept it. I know it's gonna be a busy day again. I'll meet you guys soon with a food related video. Until then, bye bye.